Now the question is how we can develop effective reading strategy, how we can train our teachers to make the use of, to teach strategies to their students. So that's the main purpose of this module, how you as language teachers can teach your or develop strategic knowledge amongst your students to become proficient and good readers. Well, teaching second language strategies, as we have already looked at some of this, the significance of strategies. So it helps improve the comprehension, confidence level of the students. But how we can make strategy instruction effective? Now, this is our job as a language teachers to make instruction, to make strategy instruction as one of the integral parts of our pedagogical practice. And one of the ways is just to focus on establishing a purpose for reading. I mean, reading should be done for a purpose or with a purpose. And in this regard, we can get help. We can make the use of task-based language teaching, which according to Alice, as we have seen it in the previous module, has some sort of relationship with the real life. So we can bring in tasks which are directly related to the various needs of our students. And then we can make strategy instruction by extending it over time. I mean, just training students how to decode the meaning of the words, how to skim, how to scan, because not all text can be skimmed and scanned, how to select and how to leave other parts of the text. So there are multiple strategies which are out there and which we can incorporate to our language instruction. So when we are teaching strategies, we need to be aware of the age, gender, language learning beliefs, cultural differences of the students, because one strategy may not fit for all students. So this is how we need to bring in strategies which are purposeful, which are useful for the students, and which may serve the purpose of different students of different ages, genders, with different beliefs. So sometimes we can explicitly teach the significance of strategies, for example, how to skim and scan, and what's their significance for reading effectively. So we can explicitly tell students how to read, what to read and what not to read, when they or what strategies to be used and what strategies not to be used in a particular context. So as teachers, this is our job, to tell our students to monitor their strategies, what strategies they are using while they are interacting with the text. So we should include some information, specific information about the benefits of strategies. For example, I can tell you my own experience of language learning in the Pakistani context from, I don't remember from, because we were taught like language from grade 6 in a government school, and as I have been student throughout in the government school, so we were not told till BA, that a bachelor's level, what is skimming and scanning and what is their usefulness. So if we tell explicitly students about what's skimming and scanning and what's their significance and how it can be incorporated in order to become good readers, so that can have its fruits for reading instruction. And at the same time, we should teach our students about non-strategic knowledge along with strategies. So developing strategies, or making our students strategic readers in second language requires a lot of effort on the part of the language teachers.